take my chances and be brave. Piper, can you be brave too and watch the screens? I need your help. And radio Jackman as soon as ChugCom starts working again.
Okie dokie, Chiefy.
I don't like the look of those clouds, but at least there's no more thunder. Ah! Double bumpers! This was a bad idea. Wait, what am I doing? A Chug Patroller never gives up. I'll just think about my happy place. Ice cream and sprinkles. This thunder just won't quit. But neither will I. I'm coming, Jake. Jake! Hold on! Hey, Jake, over here. Come on. Jake is scared of the thunder, just like me. It's okay, Jake. The thunder can't hurt you. But I need you to walk away from the edge and toward me. You can do it. Come on, Jake. Just think about a happy place. Like you're in the safari park and your mama is there and there's no thunder or rain and it's bright and sunny. Perfecto! Now, just take one step at a time. That's it. You can do it. Don't look back, Jake. Just get up, walk towards me, and you're home free. The Royal Chugger has decided that you are doing a fine job on your own.
Wilson, playing Royal Chugger was fun and all, but now we really need your help. You may be Chuggington royalty, but you're also a trainee, and trainees help each other.
Sorry, but the Royal Chugger cannot risk getting dirty.
Then you know what? The Royal Chugger can finish clearing these rocks without the Royal Jester or the Royal Messenger.
Come on, Wilfred. Those rocks aren't gonna move themselves.
But I'm the Royal Chugger.
And I'm the ruler of rocks. Now let's get busy.
So tired. Can't move another rock. Ow!
How's it going, Wilton?
Slow.
What happened to your friends?
They're royally mad at me.
Well, no idea what that means, but just keep at it. Otherwise, this could take all night.
All night? I need help.
Oh, hello, Your Majesty.
No, it's just me, Wilson.
What happened to being royalty?
Being royal is no fun if you don't have best friends to enjoy being royal with. I'm really sorry.
Well, I guess we can forgive you if you start acting like you again.
I will, I promise.
Yay!
Had a new turbocharged throttle installed, and it must be stuck because he can't stop.
Look out!
Oh, no!
Jackman tried to stop him, but now he's getting pulled along too. And if he uncouples now, he'll go flying.
Honking horns! We should call action.
No way! We finally got him to relax and take the day off. We can do this on our own. I think.
Whoa!
Take it from here.
It's Action Chuggers. He's here.
Whoa!
action, Chugger. You sure saved my bumpers.
You saved all of us. But you were napping. How did you know we were in trouble?
I tried to turn off my super hearing, but I just couldn't. It's my round-the-clock mission to keep Chuggington safe.
But we failed in our mission to help you rest and have a day off.
Well, there's something I've been trying to tell you all day. Rescuing and helping others is how I relax.
Huh, go figure. I never thought of that. Are we ever gonna find them? I can almost hear them now, bickering back and forth.
Toot, where are you?
Hoot! Can you hear me? Hoot! Wait! I do hear them now!
Let's go!
Toot! Where are you? Hoot! Can you hear me? Hoot! Hoot! Wherever you are! Toot! Where are you? Toot! I don't see them anywhere. Hoot! Toot? Is that you? Yes! I'm over here! Are you okay, Hoot? I missed you. I missed you too, Toot. It was scary out there all alone. I know! I saw a scary monster. But it turned out to be a squirrel. Who put this big tree here? I think we did. When we were arguing before. Oh, right. I'm sorry about that. Me too. Really sorry. I don't like it when we argue. You don't? I thought it was just me. Hey! Did we just agree on something? I'm so glad we found each other. But we can't get back together unless we get this tree out of the way. I'll push it from this side. Don't worry. I'll get it. I've got it. Really? No, I do. No? Wait, we're doing it again. You're right. We have to find a way to do this together. How about if you pull from your side and I push from mine? Works for me. Hoot and Toot are ready to scoot. Whoa! Woohoo! We did it! Yeah, together. Wilson, are you okay?
What are you two doing out here? Did I wake you up again?
We were just worried about you. I'm guessing the repair shed didn't work out.
Too many weird noises. You don't notice them during the day, but at night? You probably think I'm being a big baby.
No way. Besides, if you were a baby, you'd be asleep by now. Babies can sleep anywhere. You know what? I wouldn't want to sleep alone in a strange place either. Yeah. So why don't we all sleep alone together? It's a bird.
A big flappy bird. A flapidactyl.
What was that?
Just the machines. Hey, let's tell a silly story. I'll start. Once upon a time, there was a sheep that was so sleepy, he couldn't even count himself.
And when he tried to jump over the fence, he tripped and fell down. Which was just fine with him, since he wanted to go to sleep anyway. That is so silly.
Silly and sleepy.
Sleepy and...
Thanks for staying with me last night. I slept great.
Me too. Me three.
Good afternoon, you sleepyheads. I have some great news, Wilson. The pipe got here today after all. You'll be able to sleep in your own cabin tonight.
Oh, thanks. I guess.
I thought you'd be happy.
I am. But having a sleepover with Koko and Brewster was so much fun.
Well, just because your cabin will be fixed doesn't mean you can't have another sleepover.
Hey, yeah.
What do I do? What do I do? I got it. Everything okay, Squawky? I feel like you're trying to tell me something.
Please don't see me. Please don't see me. Please don't see me.
I can see you. What are you two doing? Nothing.
We're just hanging around.
This trying to take it from the docks?
I'm really sorry for sneaking around, but I had a good reason.
V asked me to order this gift for Skipper Stu's anniversary tomorrow.
But he didn't know it was supposed to be a surprise, so we're trying to keep it a secret.
So, this is Skipper Stu's surprise gift for tomorrow?
That sounds like a fun game, Koko, but I should get back to work.
Wait!
Oh no, he's coming back.
Can you help us, Ty? We have to get the container out of here before he sees it. I didn't tell you about the 75th rule of the game.
You can tell me later.
Ahoy, Skipper Stu! The containers are unloaded and ready to go.
Well, how about that? Good work, Ty. And you did it all yourself?
I had some help.
Squawky, of course.
Oh, and Koko. I saw Brewster and Wilson. They said you should play your game at the depot. Right, the depot. Best place for the game. Gotta go, go, go! All right, we did it!
That plan really came together, Brewster.
And now Skipper Stu's surprise won't be ruined tomorrow.
And for his years of tremendous work at the docks, we celebrate Skipper Stu's anniversary with this.
Whoa!
An antique anchor from one of the first ships to ever come to Chuggington.
Well, thank you.
Yeah! Wait! I'm sorry, Piper. That did not go like I planned. We wanted to give you a fun safari, but without animals, it's really, really hard. It's okay. I'm gonna go now. Thanks anyway.
That was the worst safari ever. Barely any animals. No tour, not even a real lizard. We really let Piper down.
Hello, my friends. How is your safari going?
Hey, Matambo. We tried, but there just weren't enough animals. Maybe it's all the rain lately. Maybe animals don't like getting wet.
Possibly. But rain can also be very helpful. Just look at how beautiful the flowers are today.
They do look nice. Too bad they can't be a part of our safari.
Who says they can't? Look again. But this time, look closely.
Whoa! That is amazing! We have to show Piper. Come on.
Thanks, Matambo.
Piper, we came to tell you. There's one place we forgot to look for wildlife. The flowers.
Flowers? But they aren't animals. No, but the rain helped them grow. That means they're perfect for a different kind of animal. I don't see anything. Remember, look closely. A butterfly! Oh, hello. Ooh, look at them all! Whoa! You were right. I just had to look closer. Thank you! I can't dig it up after all. What are you going to do, Brewster? I have no choice. I have to tell Zach that I couldn't get the job done. That I'm not a true Chuggineer. If only you had more curvy tracks. Yeah, if only I... Wait a minute! Maybe I do. I can use these curvy tracks to go around the tree. But you were so proud of these curves. Yeah, but saving that old tree is more important than having fancy tracks. I gotta get it done fast. Can you help me, Koko? Fast is my thing.
I see you straightened out your tracks, Brewster.
Yeah, I know you really like the curves, but it was the only way I could finish the track without digging up this tree. Sorry.
Well, there's only one thing I have to say about that. Great work! You found the best way to get the job done and preserved a wonderful piece of nature. That's thinking like a true Chuggineer.
Way to go, Brewster!
Woohoo! You could say that again. I've been looking forward to this all my life. Hello, old tree. Glad to finally meet you.
Pete, what are you hauling?
Oh, it's just some bird seed I found on the tracks. I figured I'd take it to the safari park. Why? Rattling rivets! Shoo, 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 shoo.
I fixed it. For real this time.
Fantastic!
Way to go, Eddie!
It just goes to show you should never give up. Oh, that's it. I give up. Good luck figuring out what to get. Hope you do better than I did with this clock.
But what are we gonna do without a clock in Chuggington?
Maybe we don't have to live without one. You mean we should use the gold nugget to get... Now that's what a clock is supposed to sound like.
Whoa! But where did it come from?
We had lots of ideas about what to get with the gold nugget.
Every idea we had was about getting something for ourselves.
But this new clock is something everyone can use.
That's amazing. You three should be really proud of yourselves for doing something so selfless.
Oh, good, I'm right on time. I've got this crate to give to Cormac. Where is he?
Haha, nice try, Clock. You can't fool Cormac. I'm way too smart for that.
We can't just give up. There's gotta be a way to keep the pumpkin away from those squirrels. That's it! We can play a game of keep away.
Yeah, so if the squirrels come after me, I can throw it to you.
And I can throw it to Brewster.
Right, but with what?
Well, I got it. Chug Command, we need 2 CP1 cars.
Yeah! I'm open!
Perfecto! No, this is my promise to keep.
Honkin' horns! Alright! Hey, you're back! Where's Rosa?
It's just me.
2 against 1. We might actually have a chance.
Ready or not, here's a serve.
Yes! That's 1 point for us.
We're up 9-0.
One more point and we win the game.
No tan rápida, not so fast. Got room for one more?
Koko Spiker is here.
No, my server is here.
Really?
Really. Wait, she can serve too? She can do lots of things because she's amazing. Go for it, Rosa.
Yeah!
Ace! That's a point for us.
I see ace. That's right. And we are just getting started.
Whoa! We're all tied up, and the next point wins the game. Go, Rosa! Go, Rosa!
Hey, we're back!
We win!
Good game.
You too!
Let's play again soon.
Yeah, next time we'll have to be triple the trouble to beat Reach and Rosa. I think she needs a new nickname. How about Rocket Rosa for that incredible rocket serve?
Me gusta. I like it.
This Chugger is ready for a rematch.
Ugh, this is a disaster. It's so fast. Even I can't catch it, and I'm the fastest chugger I know.
Well, that is its catchphrase. To make your rescue supersonic, get yourself the Chuggatronic.
If we can't catch up to it, maybe we can get in front of it and cut it off.
Right, we know where it's been, so...
Maybe we can figure out where it's going. Let's look at the map.
First, we saw it there.
Then we saw it there. So the next place it'll be is the Roundhouse Park.
Perfecto! Wheels to the rails!
You are activated.
Here's the plan. When the Chuggatronic comes in, we'll block it from all sides.
Then, since it's voice activated, we'll just tell it to stop.
I really hope this works.
Help mode
I
activated.
hear it! Everyone get in their places!
You are welcome.
Aha! We got ya!
Alert! Alert!
Chuggatronic, I command you to... Chuggatronic, stop!
I've got this! Chuggatronic!
We've got to do this all together.
As loud as we can!
Stop!
Stop mode activated.
We did it!
Fantastic.
I think I'm getting the hang of this. Okay, maybe not. Whoa, turbo car. Whoa. Oh, am I gonna zoom around the tracks forever? It's Koko and Lori. I caught up to them. Okay, turbo car, turn off. Turn off.
Let's see if this will get it working again.
Hi, Lori. Hi, Koko.
Did you hear something?
I'm here to spend the day with you.
Must have been the wind.
Sorry, Pete. Hamish, stop! Go back! Oh, wait a minute. Go back. I can go backwards. Turbo car, reverse. I did it! I'm the smartest little chugger in Chuggington. No, sorry, Pete.
That'll do it. It's all fixed.
Traintastic. Ready for your express trip back to Chuggington?
I'm sure Zeffie will be happy to see us. I can almost hear her now.
That's strange. I can hear her too.
I'm in turbocharged trouble.
Oh no! Zeffie!
I got her.
Go! How do I stop this thing?
Brake, Zeffie! Zeffy, brake!
I already tried that!
Pulse your brakes! Front brake, then back brake! Phew! That was a close call. Sorry, Pete.
Yeah, triple sorry.
It's okay, Zippy.
There's a lot of containers. Why don't you each take half and do it your own way?
Fine. Then she will see that my way is the best.
Well, it's not a competition.
Oh, it won't be much of one when I dazzle him with my chug shui.
Look at this mess! Everything's mixed together!
I'm sorry, Cormac.
Oh, this will take forever to restack.
I didn't mean to ruin Cormac's system. I was just so excited to show him the art of chug shui. It was so important to the Chuggers in Zhengzhou. They'd stack containers high into the sky and build shapes that you thought you'd only see in your dreams. Everyone could express themselves through their amazing designs. I love living in Chuggington, but there are still things I miss from Zhengzhou. I guess I just wanted to bring a little bit of that back with me.
I didn't realize how important this was to her.
Yeah, she wanted to make you proud of her by showing you chug shui.
Ty, Cormac would like to see you at the drop and load yard.
Uh-oh, I hope I didn't do something else wrong. Whoa!
Most rocks tossed into the crusher. Another good try, but again, you didn't really break the record.
Oh, why can't we do this?
You mean we can't break a record?
I don't think so. Maybe everyone's right. We're just too little to do anything.
Well, that's not true. You both can do lots of things. Zeffy, people are always counting on you to get them around Chuggington. And Piper, the monkeys always get so excited when you bring them bananas.
Monkey!
I know you both want to do the big jobs and break the big records, and someday you will. But there are lots of smaller jobs that are just as important.
Yeah, I guess we do handle a lot of little jobs.
So maybe we should break a little record instead.
Nice one, Piper.
Thanks.
Piper, are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Yes. What are you thinking?
Wilson, could you come with us one more time? I have the perfect record we can break. Here goes nothing. 1, 2, chug and roll!
Let me hear you chug, 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 chug. You see you roll, 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 roll. Fire up those engines and get ready to go. It's time for everybody to chug and roll. It's time for everybody to chug, 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 chug and roll.
And it's a new Chuggington record! Huh, guess it was a shadow.
Is that him?
Is that? No, where could he be?
I told you he was good at hiding.
Yeah, a little too good. I wonder if he's really here at all.
It's not working. Koko's not convinced.
Then we'll have to convince her.
Look! What is it?
I'm helpful, I'm strong, and I get the job done. That's gotta be Action Chugger.
Brewster actually got him to come.
Now for some extra fancy Action Chugger moves. Whoa!
You're not Action Chugger, you're Brewster. Brewster?
Why did you try to fool us? I wanted to prove to you that I was friends with Action Chugger, but I couldn't get him here. I guess you were right. Just because he called me friend doesn't mean we're really friends.
I heard with my super hearing that someone was in trouble.
Yeah, I actually am this time. I told everyone we were friends, but I couldn't prove it was true.
We are friends. I'm friends with all the Chuggers in Chuggington.
Oh, right.
But I'm good friends with just a few Chuggers. Like you, Brewster. Now, what's this I've been hearing about a game of hide and seek? Can I play?
Yeah!
Okay, you hide and I'll seek.
No super hearing allowed!
Or X-ray vision!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ready or not, here I come.
One more time. Wow, it looks great, Brewster. I think I did it right, but is it going to hold up? Super heavy.
No te preocupes. Don't worry, Brewster. I believe in you. You did good work. It will hold.
I can't look.
Perfecto!
Fantastic! I did it!
Excelente! Great job!
This one's even more spectacular than the last one. You did it again, Superstar Brewster.
Well, not really again. I'm sorry, Zach. I'm sorry, everyone. I should have told you earlier. Rosa fixed the rock slide at the quarry. It was all her idea and her amazing skills. She's the real superstar.
Is that so?
No exactamente. Not exactly. Brewster built this one. I just taught him how.
Well, you're a great teacher. This is some solid work. You know what I think? You two make a superstar team.
Oh, I really made a mess of things now. I'm no Chug the Troller. But I can go get one. Hang on, Koko.
Wilson replaces the rock dropper door and the crowd goes wild! I'm finally getting a hang of this. The doors are shut, no gravel leaks. I am a Chuggineer. Or not! Woo! What do I do? What do I do? I need to get some help. You were right. You have the tougher job. I was trying to replace the rock dropper doors, but they broke, and gravel is spilling on the tracks.
Oh, I can help with that. But right now, Koko is stuck on the CP car carousel, and it won't stop going around and around.
Oh, I know how to stop that.
Want to switch back?
I've got an even better idea. Let's tackle these problems together. We always work better as a team.
You're right. Let's train together.
You can go it solo, try to do things alone.
But it gets kinda lonely when you're on your own.
So forget about your solo act and form a duet.
Or better yet, a trio or a cool quartet.
Let's train together. We're so much better as a team. Let's train together. Work, work, work
two like switching jobs?
I think I'll stick with the Chuggineers from now on.
And I'm sticking with Chug Patrol.
Somebody has to do something. Slow down. You have to slow down. Stop! Spinning! Hang on!
Ooh, that was close. I almost derailed. But why couldn't I stop?
The car has a wobbly wheel, so when you hit the turn, it throws you off balance.
Wait a minute, Koko. You were pulling this car before.
Yes, I thought it was going fast that made me derail, but it was actually the wheels.
Right, because you just went really fast to save Brewster.
I did, like lightning.
Fastest trainee in town.
I'm back. Go, Koko. Go, Koko. Go, Koko. Come on, we've got a delivery to make.
What about the car with a wobbly wheel?
I'll use my booster and go and get help. Who's that speeding on down the tracks? Faster than fast, throttle to the max. A bright green blur with a winning smile. I'll win any race by a country mile.
Oh, she's Koko, fastest chugger in town.
Koko, nothing slows me down. Koko, see me fly around the bend. Koko, your fantastic friend. Power's electric, my speed's bona fide. I move fast enough to catch my own backside. Koko,
fastest chugger in town.
Koko, nothing slows me down. Koko, see me fly around the bend. Koko, your fantastic friend. What should we do?
This is a real emergency. It's a job for Action Chugger or Chug Patrol or...
There's no time. Hoot and Toot need help right now.
Okay, I'm on it.
Whatever you're doing, stop doing it. I'm not doing anything. I wasn't talking to you.
I just made it worse. If only I was a real hero, like Action Chugger, I would know what to do.
But you are a real hero, Brewster. You're my hero.
I am?
Yes, because you're so nice and you're always there for everybody. You're helpful and strong and you get the job done.
I am, aren't I? I better do something now.
I don't know if this is gonna hold much longer.
Don't worry, we'll get you back on track.
I'm not worried.
That's easy for you to say.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is. Hang on! I've got you.
And I've got you, Brewster.
Okay, Zeffy, we're going to try one big heave on 3. 1, 2, 3. Just a little further. We did it!
Yeah, you helped too, Toot. Did not.
Did too.
Did not. Oh, wait. Yeah, I did. Told you. Did not. Yes, I did. Did not.
2 rhinos are on the loose! Why aren't they stopping? News flash! 20 rhinos are on the loose! 20 rhinos running wild in Chuggington!
20 rhinos. Ah! Stop the movie! Stop the movie! It's an emergency! You need to listen to the radio!
There's no need for alarm, but what's this? The sound of thumping feet on the ground? Could it be a rhino stampede?
A rhino stampede! Help! I'm stuck! Someone help Zeffy!
This way!
This way!
No, this way!
Everyone seek shelter. I'll get help.
Pete, what's the hurry? Aren't you supposed to be at the movie?
I'm going for help. You get to safety before the... Wait a minute. If you're here, where's the stampede?
Rhino stampede? Well, you know, it sounded like it was headed towards, or maybe it was, okay. Maybe it was really only one rhino and it's already been caught.
One? I thought it was 20.
I might have exaggerated a teeny bit.
A teeny bit? Everyone is in a total panic.
They are? Oh, Bumpers. I didn't mean to scare anybody. I just wanted to make the story exciting.
Well, someone could have been hurt.
You're right. I should tell them the truth.
Maybe they wandered off because they didn't get the right food. If giving the animals the wrong food caused them to wander away from their enclosures, maybe giving them the right food will lure them back in.
That's a great idea, Brewster.
Yeah, but what is the right food?
Look, they're showing us the kind of food they really want to eat.
Let's round them up!
I'm back.
Matombo, you look great.
Thank you. I feel much better. So, Wilson, how did feeding time go?
Everything went just fine. Well, there were a couple of teeny tiny problems, but everything's in order now.
Everything? Are you sure? I found this little fellow near the chug wash. A monkey, you can go and play your monkey games with the others now.
I'm really sorry, Matombo. I wasn't paying attention, and I fed the animals the wrong food. And they all ran wild.
But Wilson did ask us for help.
And he worked really hard to make things right.
Well, that is quite a story. Do you know what I think?